In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL to your Google Calendar. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you frequently need to incorporate external calendars into your personal schedule, like the calendar from your office, a school, or even a community group. By the end of this guide, you'll be seamlessly integrating additional calendars and keeping all your events in one convenient location. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account. Once you're on the main Google Calendar page, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is where you manage different calendar views and find options for adding new calendars. As you look down the sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. This area is set aside for calendars that are not part of your main calendar, but that you still want to access easily. Adding a URL here means you can quickly view and interact with events from external sources. Beside other calendars, there's a small plus icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll see several options here, but what you're looking for is from URL. Selecting this option will take us to the next step of our journey. Once you click from URL, a field will appear prompting you to enter the URL of the calendar you wish to add. Here's where you'll want to have that URL handy. It's typically something you get from a colleague, a newsletter, or the subscription settings of another calendar service you use. Carefully paste the URL into this field. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, as this can lead to errors. With the URL correctly in place, the next step is simple yet crucial. Click on the Add Calendar button. This button will subscribe you to the calendar linked to the URL you entered. After clicking it, Google Calendar will sync and integrate these events directly into your calendar view. It really is that straightforward, and once you're subscribed, you can always modify or unsubscribe from these calendars if needed. Keeping your various commitments and engagements organized was never simpler. Having all your events in one spot ensures you're always prepared, and that's a great feeling. By following these steps, you've successfully expanded your Google Calendar capabilities and can now enjoy a more holistic view of your schedule. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier and more organized.